Welcome back to the final installment on the pole barn workshop. I've filmed a whole bunch of videos on this, and if you'd like to see the thing from the start, there will be a playlist at the end of this video, and I'll also post it down in the comments. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken all the kitchen cabinets now and mounted those. Was able to use a couple of those, I think, from above the refrigerator here on this wall where the drill press is located, and it gave me enough clearance for the head of the drill press. You can see up here I've got my wireless router, so that's a good spot for that. Over along this wall, more kitchen cabinets. I created a base for my radial arm saw, and more cabinets above that. Just back in this corner, I located really permanently my dust collector, and then I've got my planer and my bandsaw on wheels. I can move those around anytime I need to. And coming around, I was able to finally mount my grinder on the workbench. This thing, I had it mounted on a pedestal that it came with, and then it just jumped around every time I ran it, so it's nice to have that firmly mounted. Now let's take a look at this workbench. This is a 12-foot long workbench that I brought with me from my old house down in my workshop in the basement. Had to completely disassemble it just to get it out of there. And it's been stored in the pole barn here for the last year. Now this tabletop, as you can see here, is 3/16 inch steel, and it is heavy. This was a bit of a job just to hoist this back into place, but I did that, and it's there to stay. I was able to locate my hose reel up here now, so I've got a constant source of air for the shop. And my trusty electric reel. Bought this thing at Northern Equipment, and this thing's great. I just love it. And then I've got the rest of my kitchen cabinets on this wall, along with my workbench on wheels, so I can move that around. And the last item is the table saw, and that's just gonna sit in the middle of the room here. It's on wheels. It can float anywhere I need it to. So this is the last video that you'll see of the work on this workshop, but it's probably not the last time you'll see the workshop. It will appear in lots of project videos to come. So stay tuned, and I'll see you soon.